Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about the categorical plots and following are the topics that we are going to discuss. Firstly, we will learn about the categorical plots. Then we will learn how we draw these plots in a Seaborn library. After that, we will discuss about the catplot function, barplot function, countplot function and boxplot function also. So let's begin the topic by understanding what are the categorical plots. So, categorical variables are the variables that have two or more categories without any inherent ordering. And these variables are also known as the nominal variables. If we take an example of the categorical variable, it is the gender. And you know that it always has a two category, male and female. So now we will move ahead and learn how we draw these categorical plots in a Seaborn library. So if you want to draw the categorical plots in Seaborn library, it provides us the following function which are catplot function, barplot function, countplot function, boxplot function, violin plot function, strip plot function, swarm plot function and catplot function with kind point. So now we will move ahead and learn about the catplot function first. So the catplot function is used to create a categorical plots using the Seaborn library, and the syntax of this function is a Seaborn dot catplot, and in parentheses we pass different parameters. The first two parameters are x and y. These are the data points that define the x and y axis location. The next one is hue. It is a grouping variable that will produce components with different color. The fourth and the fifth one is row and the column. It specifies the variable subset for a different plotting facet. The next one is kind. It is a type of the plot which we want to draw, and by default its value is strip, and it also have other options such as bar, box, violin, swarm, count and point. The next one is palette. It generates a variable with different color map values, and the last one is data. It is the data set that is being used. So now we will learn this concept with the help of example. I will show you the example first. So here is the code where we import the libraries and reading the data set. I will explain you this code line by line. You can see that firstly I import the necessary libraries. The first one is pandas as PD. The next one is Seaborn as SNS. The third one is matplotlib with pyplot module as PLT. After that, I want to read the dataset, so I utilize the read underscore CSV function, and as an argument I pass the name of the CSV file which is a student underscore data dot CSV. Basically this dataset gives us the information about the school ID, gender, age, size of the family, father education, mother education, occupation of the father and mother, and family relation, health and grades of the student. Next you can see that here I call the head function with the print function as I want to print the top 5 values of the data set. So here you can see that I doesn't pass any value to the head function as an argument. So by default it reads the top 5 values. So now I execute this cell and show you the output.